Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to unpublish WIX site. So let's go to WIX site first. WIX dashboard. This is the WIX dashboard. Now you can see here this drop down menu. Click on this and if you click on go to all sites, you will find all of your sites. Now you have to choose the site you want to unpublish. I'm choosing this one. Now you have to go down and you'll find here settings, this settings option. Click on settings. Then you'll find here website settings. Click on website settings. Now you can see here unpublish. If you click on unpublish, your site will be unpublished. Okay, so this is how you can unpublish a weak site. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.